Hey landscapers! You want your landscaping business to be seen as a cut above the rest? Of course you do. Let's face it, landscaping is a pretty competitive industry, and time, well, it's literally money. So think about the last time you looked at a product online. The next thing you know, that product is stalking you all over the internet. That's an advertising tactic known as retargeting, and it's super effective. But the only problem is that it requires someone to visit your website in order for you to target them. Now let me tell you about AreaEcho. We use the magic of machine learning to tell when people are researching landscaping and lawn maintenance topics on the internet. Their Google searches and sites they visit, they form like this digital footprint, if you will. And it's this footprint that allows us to identify them and reach out with your ads. So how do we make sure they're the right prospects? Well, first, we limit the results to people that are browsing the web within the zip codes that you choose. Then we limit the number of companies that can advertise in those zip codes to 2. What that means for you is maximum exposure for a minimal cost. Oh, and speaking of cost, I'm sure you're wondering about the price of all this amazing technology. Well, we make it simple. Prices start at $59 a month for 10,000 ad impressions. You want to know what's better? There's no setup fee, and our experienced graphic design team will even create your ads for you at no charge. So let's recap. 10,000 people see your ad for $59 a month with no setup fees. Oh, and did I mention there's no long-term commitment either? We're so sure you're going to like the service that we have a cancel anytime guarantee. If you don't feel like the service is right for you, just cancel with us before your next renewal date and you won't be charged again, period. Still on the fence? Give us a call and we'll talk to you about it. 888-389-3282.